Today we are making fish rice. You can see how colorful this fish rice is. It's so delicious. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I say welcome. And if you've been following me, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking and keep sharing my videos. So sit tight, let's see how we are going to make this our special fish rice together. For our fish rice, our first ingredient is our fish. I'm using shiny fish. You can use mackerel fish. This fish has been thoroughly washed, seasoned with salt, ginger, garlic, and then fish seasoning. Next is our chopped onions. We'll be using chopped tomatoes, chopped pepper. You have chili pepper here and habanero pepper because we want it to be hot. But if you can't tolerate heat, then don't add as much as this. And of course, we're using some spring onions. These are all the seasonings we'll be using. I have paprika, I have curry powder, I have thyme, I have all-purpose seasoning, I have ginger, garlic, onion seasoning, and I have seasoning cube which I've already crushed. We have cooking oil. Then, of course, we have our salt to taste. Salt, our food won't be sweet. So, guys, the heat is on now. So, just add in some cooking oil, just little, very little cooking oil. I'll add in some thyme. If you have fresh thyme, you can use fresh thyme. Then I'll add in little salt, very little salt. Then I'll add in little onions. Very little onions. Allow it to just saute a bit. After that, you now bring in your washed rice. I use hot water to wash the rice. So just stir it around. Stir it around so that all the flavors can enter the rice. After stirring for about 5 minutes, you now bring in your stock. Pour in your stock. You know the stock won't be enough to cook it, so you get in some hot water. I want hot water so it can continue cooking. So now I'll add in the hot water. You add water that will be enough to boil the rice. If it's not cooked with this water, then you keep on adding water until the rice is now soft. You now cover the pot and let it start cooking on slow heat. So guys, in the other burner, you can see my frying pan is in there. So what I'll do now is to add in some cooking oil, allow it to get hot. So you can see the oil is hot now because I just added some chopped onions. It's hot now. So I'll bring in the fish. We'll now fry the fish until it is well fried. We keep stirring so that all sides will be cooked. So guys, this is what the fish looks like now. It took some time to fry because I wanted it to have this brownish color. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment and you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button, keep liking and then keep sharing. So at this point now, I'll bring in our chopped onions, allow it to fry together, keep stirring, let everything combine very well. If you have kids and they'll partake of this rice, you have to debone your fish so that they don't get choked. So I'll just keep on stirring, let the onions saute a bit. Then I'll add in the freshly chopped tomatoes, allow it to cook to take out that tangy taste. And after that, I'll add in our chopped peppers so that everything can cook at the same time. So this is what we have now. So what I'll do now is for me to add in our seasoning. I have paprika, I have seasoning cube, I have curry, I have ginger garlic powder, I have all-purpose seasoning, and I have thyme. So I'll add all of them together. Then I'll just add in some salt, not too much. Then allow it to cook while we check the rice to know if the rice is cooked so we can continue. So guys, the rice is cooked now. Let me check if the water is all dried before we continue. So you can see there's no water, it's all dried up. So just take out the steam a bit, just pop it like I'm popping. Pop, pop, pop. Then at this point, I'll bring in our fish, which is looking like so. Wow, guys, at this point, the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. And they are knocking. What is she cooking again? What is she cooking again? Oh, so I'll just combine everything together until it is well combined. And guys, our yummiest fish rice is ready. You can pair this with anything of your choice. I'll be taking this with some fried plantain. So just keep stirring until everything is well combined. This is so easy to make. I bet you can also try to make it. Wow, this is so good. So after stirring like so, you can now get in some spring onions or scallions and top it up for coloring. And guys, it is serve and enjoy. So guys, bring your plate. Let's have some of our fish rice. This is tasting really so good and it's looking so good. So get my fried plantain. Like I said, you can pair it with anything you want to pair it with. Now let us have a taste of our delicious rice. This rice is so delicious, guys. Please, I want you to try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. Guys, I will see you in my next. Thank you and bye bye.